Hello everyone, welcome to English Hangout with Teacher Maria. How are you today, everybody? Well, I hope each one of you is doing good and safe while you are learning in your house. So for this week, we are going to have another lesson. And before that, I would like you to get your books first and your notebook and your pencils. Okay? So let's learn first with an expression of the day. So for today's expression, we are going to learn the expression break a leg. Everybody read, break a leg. So break a leg is used for wishing someone good luck, especially before a performance. So if you want to wish good luck to somebody, if you want to say good luck, you can use the expression break a leg. Okay, let's take a look at this sentence. You have an exam tomorrow. Break a leg. You have an exam tomorrow. Break a leg. Okay, so break a leg, it means good luck. So you have an exam tomorrow. Good luck. It's just saying like that. So break a leg. I hope you will break a leg in your studies. Okay. So let's start with our lesson now. I want you to have another lesson, and we will have the grammar, and our grammar focuses on adjectives as complements. Adjectives as complement. Okay, so what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes the noun. Okay, these are words that that will tell us about the noun. Now we have complements. What is a complement? What is a complement? A complement is a word or word group or group of words that completes the predicate in a sentence. Now, the sentence is divided into two parts. We have the subject and the predicate. The subject is who we are talking about, and the predicate is the part of the sentence or clause that says what the subject is or isn't doing. Okay, so the subject and the predicate. The subject is who we are talking about, and the predicate will tell us what is the subject doing or not doing. Okay, so let's have now an example. Example here, you look at the picture and let's read a sentence. The girl's hair is brown. The girl's hair is brown. So the girl's hair is the subject and brown is the predicate. Okay? So the girl's hair, what? The girl's hair is brown. So this is the subject, the girl's hair. We're talking about the girl's hair. So what about the girl's hair? The girl's hair is brown, and brown is the predicate that tells us about the girl's hair. Okay, so this is subject and then that is predicate. Now let's take a look at another sentence with a question. So for example, here we have a clock and the question is, what color is the clock? What color is the clock? So you look at the clock. What is the color? Okay, so the answer is, you have to say, the clock is pink. The clock is pink. Now, pink in this context or pink in this sentence is an example, or it's a color that describes the clock, right? So therefore, pink is an adjective used as a complement. Okay. So the clock is the subject. Pink is the predicate. Okay. So that is adjective, and that is a complement adjective. All right. So the clock is pink. So here, take a look at, if the question is in singular form, uses is, therefore your subject should be in the singular form. Okay? So, you have here, the clock is pink. What is the clock? What color is the clock? I'm sorry. What color is the clock? So, the clock is pink. We use here is because there is only one clock. Okay? So, the pink functions as adjective complement. Next, we have what color are the clocks? So, how many clocks? 1, 2, 3. So, the question is in plural form. So, are, and then the subject is in plural form too. There is S at the end. Therefore, your answer or the subject in your answer, one more time, the subject in your answer should be in plural form, and the verb should also be in plural form. So we have to say, what color are the clocks? The clocks are pink. So pink here functions as a predicate, and it is adjective complement. Okay, the clocks are pink. Next we have, what color is the calendar? What color is the calendar? So how would you answer this one? So we'll say the calendar is green. Okay, the calendar is green. So singular question, your subject should also be in singular form. So the calendar is green. How about this? What color are the calendars? How many calendars? We have 2. So we use are, and then the subject should have S here, calendars. So the answer should be the calendars are green. So green is the adjective complement. The subjects are in plural form, the same as true with the verb. Now today, your activity number 1, you are going to answer the question. So look at the picture, read the question, and write the complete answer. So what color is the shelf? You have to say the shelf is what? You have to write it. Alright? Now, for our next activity, I want you to jump on the phonics. So I want you to go to the phonics, and for our phonics, it is focusing on the letter E sound. So everybody read, what letter is this? E. Okay, so letter E sound, or letter E have 2 sound. This is the long E and the short E sounds. Okay, so long E and short E sounds. Now, let's take a look at first with the long E sound. So the long E sound is a vowel that produced the same as the name of the letter. So the sound of long, or the sound of E, is long. Okay, so the long E sound is produced as E. Everybody say E. 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 So that is long sound of E. Now, in the long E sound, there is spelling that we need to remember. If the word have 2 E, so double E, E, in the word, the sound of this 2 E is long. It should be E. Okay? Now, if the word has the spelling or the word with E and A together, so the sound of these two letters is just E. Okay? So E, 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 the same sound. Now, let's take a look at this. So for the E word, we have B, E. So you are going to read this B, 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 E, B. Next, we have, what is it? One is E, tree, tree. Next, we have E, C, E, C. Okay? So always remember, if there are two letter E together, the sound of that is long. It should be E sound. Next, we will go to the long E with the spelling of E and A. So the sound is E. Take a look at this. They have L, E, F, leaf, leaf. Sorry, leaf, leaf, L, E, F, leaf. Okay, so the E and A together, the sound is E. Next, we have S, E, C, S, E, C. Next, we have B, E, S, B, B, E, S, beans. Okay, so the E and A together, the sound of this is E. Okay, now let's go to the short E sound. Okay, for the short E sound, it is pronounced as E. E. Everybody say E. E sound, E. E for P, E, pen. P, E, pen. Next we have D, E, S, K, desk. D, E, S, K, desk. Next we have E, G, G, egg, egg. Okay, so if there is only one E in the word, so the sound of that E probably is short E. Okay, so we have egg, we have C, we have desk, and we have pen. Alright, P, E, N, pen. D, E, S, K, desk. E, G, G, egg. Okay, so this is short E sound. So, long E and short E sound. Alright, so let's take a look at your book on page 39, student book page 39. So look, listen, point, and say.
A. Listen, point, and say. Number 1.
B. B.
Number 2.
Leaf. Leaf.
Number 3.
Pen. Pen.
Number 4.
Desk. Desk.
Okay, so we have B to E, so it's long E. E and A together, you have E. Okay, if only one E in this word, the sound should be eh, eh, eh. Okay? Now, say the words, go to letter B, say the words, circle the words with the long E sound. So, if the word has long E sound, you have to circle the word. But if the word has short S sound, you have to underline the word. Okay, number 1, we have easel. Easel. Is it long or short? Long or short? If it's a long sound, you have to circle it. If it's short sound, you have to underline it. Okay, so easel. Next, number 2, we have desk. Desk. Number 3, we have eraser. Eraser. Number 4, we have pencil. Pencil. All right. Okay. So I want you to go to your workbook. Workbook page 27. Workbook page 27. Listen, repeat, and check.
A. Listen, repeat, and check. Number 1.
What color is the mat?
The mat is purple. The mats are purple.
Number 2.
What color are the wastebaskets?
The wastebasket is red. The wastebaskets are red.
Okay. So you have to look at the question if it is in singular. So you have to check the singular form of the answer. You look at the question if it's plural. So you have to check the answer with plural form. Okay, let's go to 23. Letter B.
B. Listen, repeat, and check. Then color. Number 1.
What color are the clocks?
The clocks are blue.
Number 2.
What color is the drawer?
The drawer is brown.
Number 3.
What color is the calendar?
The calendar is green.
Okay, one more time.
B. Listen, repeat, and check. Then color. Number 1.
What color are the clocks?
The clocks are blue.
Number 2.
What color is the drawer?
The drawer is brown.
Number 3.
What color is the calendar?
The calendar is green.
All right. Okay, so let's you have to color this picture according to the answers. All right. Okay, so I think let's go now to page 29. Let's have listen and circle the correct answer. Okay? Listen first.
A. Listen and circle. Number 1.
Leaf.
Number 2.
Easel.
Okay. Number 1. What is number 1? Number 1 is leaf. Number 2 is easel. So which one? This A, B, C. A, B, C. So you circle the answer. Now in letter B, you have to match, say, and write. So first, you have to match which one is the correct letter. So we have letter A. What is it? Easel. Letter B, B. Letter C, desk. So you complete the word and then match. Okay. In letter C, you have to read aloud, then color the picture. Okay, let's read number 1. It is a red leaf. Number 2, the pen is blue. Number 3, it is a brown desk. Number 4, the bee is small. Then color. What's the color of the leaf? It's red. So you color this red. Okay? Alright. Okay, that would be all for today. Oh, I'm sorry. We still have activity number 2. Okay, for activity number 2, you have to color the words that makes short S sound yellow. So for the leaf or for the word with short S sound, you color it with yellow. Okay? For the word with long E sound, you color it with red. Alright? So, for short S sound leaf, you color it with yellow. For long E sound leaf, you color it with red. Alright. So, that would be all for today. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.